डरने की जरूरत नहीं है।
News that's coming in at the moment. It's Jammu and Kashmir Police that has intensified the anti-terror operations. Over 175 people have been detained by the police as part of this operation. Cordon and search operations are underway in Anantnag as we are speaking. So this is the government now cracking the whip on the anti-terror operations. Jammu and Kashmir Police also intensifying the anti-terror operation. Over 175 people have been detained by the police. Now, this is a larger operation that we are seeing taking place across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir. Search operations taking place, and all of them are underway in Anantnag. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me on the story. Kamaljeet, through the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, we are seeing these search operations taking place. Close to 175 people have already been detained by Jammu and Kashmir Police.
The past 48 hours in Jammu and Kashmir, we have seen some very swift action taking place. Over 1,500 were detained even at the time when the terror attack in Pahalgam had taken place. But 175 of them have been detained, questioned by Anantnag police. Remember, Pahalgam comes under Anantnag. So this is where there's a big action coming in, whether this is a cordon and search operations, whether there is an ambush-style operations, whether these are mobile surveillance units, all have been put out there. So what we've seen is increased sense of patrolling. There are increased number of search operations taking place both in South and North Kashmir. This is where there seems to be an action. A list of 14 terrorists have been actually detailed out, and we've seen from Adil Theokar in Anantnag's Gurui area towards Pulwama, a whole lot of terrorists where this government forces now cracking down on them, houses being demolished. This is obviously a punishment being meted out. These are the logistical support. These are terror operatives active in Jammu and Kashmir. And this is not only hurting Kashmir Valley in terms of its economic driving part, but also about the image. This is where the government has swung into action, because they say it won't be tolerated any sort of support system, which is the eco-terror system still operating out of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, since 2019, what we saw is a sense of normalcy returning. Just about last year, there were 35 lakh tourists heading towards Jammu and Kashmir. But meanwhile, what it seems is this is a huge setback. But a course correction being taken out here. And very clearly, what we've seen is a massive action on ground. Meanwhile, we're standing at the line of control in Uri area, and we've seen small firearms being utilized and acted upon by Pakistan. But yes, they're being hit back right by the Indian Army, and this is where there's action right from line of control and the international border towards the hinterland in Pahalgam itself.
Thank you, Kamaljeet, giving us all those details. We are now seeing the operations, the search operations intensifying over the past 48 hours.